Them build up tower with crooked hand, blind the masses with glitter sand. Me walk through city, me feel the shade. Them paint the light, but soul still fade. Every screen a chain, every ad a spell. Lock the youth in digital cell. Me eye wide open, me heart still blaze. Me trod through shadow, me chant for days. Them wear a mask, but heart so cold. Sell false future, rewrite old. Call it progress, but it's a trap. Me see them fall in every gap. Me see the serpent behind the smile, with forked tongue and plastic style. Them play the game without regret, but every lie just soon reset. Behind the veil of serpent eyes, illusion dressed in sweet disguise, but truth still walk through fire and wind. Light still shining, shadowed sin. We chant down walls, we break them chains. With sacred word we cleanse the stain. Me nah go blind, me nah go numb. Me rise against the serpent drum. Them offer peace, but squeeze it tight. Rap with soul in silent fright. Me not trust no policy. Me live with trees and melody. The roots still whisper from ancient days. Me spirit guided by Zion ways. Me see the plan, me know the scheme. Inject with fear, sell false dream. But me not bow, me not consume. Me light still blaze in Babylon gloom. Them divide we mind, divide we kin, but we unite from deep within. Me chant with drum, me chant with soul, until the system lose control. Behind the veil of serpent eyes, illusion dressed in sweet disguise, but truth still walks through fire and wind. Light still shining, shadowed sin. We chant down walls, we break them chains. With sacred word we cleanse the stain. Me nah go blind, me nah go numb. Me rise against the serpent drum. Me meditate in silence deep, where serpent tongue no longer creep. Me vision clear like mountain stream. Me soul stay sharp, me build the dream. No wealth can buy what Jah provide. Me walk with purpose, roots me guide. Me walk alone, but never lost. Me carry truth, no matter cost. Me see the system start to shake. Them can't hold back the fire we wake. So if you hear them whisper low, just know the serpent soon must go. Blaze the fire, chant it loud.
Zion echoes. Yeah man, smoke Cali weed. Smoke and meditate on Jah Jah word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say early morning, the herb make me rise. The sun come up, Jah bless the skies. The spliff inna me hand, the chalice ablaze. Me chant Jah name inna all me days. Babylon fight it, them not go win. Jah love inna the herb, it cleanse me sin. Herb bring the vibes, make the world unite. Jah guide the path in a righteous light. From the hills of Jamaica to the streets of the town, herb is the power fi make the world crown. Smoke and meditate on Jah Jah word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say roll it tight, pass it round. The vibes make the world lift off the ground. From the hills of Addis to Kingston town, the herb make the
Me say ganja man rise, it's time for the chant. The herb and the gift for the Rasta plant. Babylon a fight, but Jah love they strong. Herb make the Rasta stay firm and long. The struggle are real, the pain can't hide, but the herb make the truth start feel collide. It bring the peace, it bring the joy, for the youth and the elder, for the girl and the boy. So me say burn it high, burn it true. Herb for the people, for the chosen few. Babylon can't stop Jah holy plan. Herb for the healing of every man. Zion echoes. Ragamuffin soldier, fighting for the freedom, Jah love divine. Me say never give up, me say hold on tight. The battle soon done, we stepping into light. We trotting through the storm, but we never afraid. Jah light guide the way, all debts get paid. From the ghetto corners to the uptown hills, me say freedom fighter, we break all the hills. Feed the youth where I cry, me I lift them voice. Chant down oppression, make the world rejoice. Righteous warrior, me not take defeat. The fire in me heart, make the drum them beat. Freedom fighter, we a stand up tall. Every chain, every shackle, Babylon have to fall. Jah Jah guide we through it all. We rise up stronger, never crawl. Them a plan and plot, but them plan can't win. Truth and justice, Jah love within. We rise like the sun, bring light to the dark. Every ghetto youth shine, them at the spark. Tell me people, say hold the line. Victory sure, in Jah time. We fight for the weak, we chant for the poor. Kick down the door, Babylon no more. Whoa, stand firm on Jah ground. Love and unity make the trumpet sound. For the warriors we gone, we keep the flame. Every voice we sing, call Jah name. Freedom fighter, we a stand up tall. Every chain, every shackle, Babylon have to fall. Jah Jah guide we through it all. We rise up stronger, never crawl. Ragamuffin soldier, the mission clear. Spread Jah love, make it reach everywhere. Me say Zion calling, we can't delay. Forward on the journey, Jah lead the way. Until the day we free, the fire will blaze. For every little youth, me say prayers and praise. Me say goodbye for now, but the fight lives on. Freedom in the heart, from dusk to dawn. Freedom fighter, we a stand up tall. Every chain, every
Zion echoes, yeah, man. Give me that little sister sick in my hands. Me waking a dawn, sky still grey, but me heart sing songs from brighter day. Them build up fences, them lock we in, but soul a rebel can't cage the within. Iron bars and rules them right, but truth still dancing morning light. Me not living
try feel lock me thought and breath, but soul a flame that conquer death. We chant and rise, we not retreat. Barefoot rebel pon concrete street. With every step me chant again. No iron wall can hold Jah men. Them poison the food, control the skies, change nature's code with silent lies. But me grow me herbs, me trust Jah Lah. Me walk with faith, me heart stay raw. Them build them towers, reach so high, but crumble come when spirit cry. Me not trade truth for silver tongue. Me vice a weapon, me still young. Me see you trapped behind screen light, but me drum beat deep in the night. Me call them out with ancient sound. With Naya Bingi chant we shake the ground. We plant the seed in mind and land, and soon we rise as overstand. Them build machine to rule and break, but Zion rise when heart awake. Iron walls can't hold spirit free. Like when me move, like tide me be. Them try feel lock me thought and breath, but soul a flame that conquer death. We chant and rise, we not retreat. Barefoot rebel pon concrete street. With every step me chant again. No iron walls can hold Jah men. Me no need title or fake acclaim. Me carry love in a Jah name. Them write history, erase we fight, but truth return in full daylight. Me link with moon, me dance with sun. Me know
Zion echoes, gather round me people, let we unite. One heart, one aim, in Jah Jah sight. The world need love, let it shine so bright. This year one love anthem, make we sing all night. From the slums to the palace, one thing me know: love is the answer, make the blessings flow. Every creed, every color, we equal in Jah eyes. So me chant out loud, burn the hatred and lies. Them try to divide we, but love can't fail. We sail through the storm with Jah as the sail. This year one love anthem for the young and old. We spread the message strong like the prophets foretold. One love, one heart, make we move as one. Under Jah Jah sun, we shining strong. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we chant one love anthem till the morning light. Me say love conquer all, it are the strongest force. Break down the barriers, stay upon the course. The world in a pain, but we bring the cure. Unity and peace make the future secure. Feed the youth where I cry, me say wipe them tears. Me say love overcome all the doubts and fears. We build a foundation strong and pure. Guided by Jah Light, we make love endure. Whoa, rise up and stand for truth. Jah love eternal from me youth. We plant the seeds, make the garden grow. This year anthem feed the world, let the whole place know. One love, one heart, make we move as one. Under Jah Jah sun, we shining strong. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we chant one love anthem till the morning light. So sing along, me people, make the vibe increase. Jah give the guidance, we chant for peace. From the mountain top to the ocean shore, we chant one love anthem forevermore. Till the day we unite, Jah kingdom come. We keep the fire blazing, the mission done. Me say blessings and love till the next we meet. One love, one aim, the rhythm complete.
but still feel lost. Plug in a system, but pay the cost. Mind in a cage with a glassy glow. Feeding the beast, them barely know. Me nah run with artificial dream. Me soul flow deep like silent stream. The screens them blind, the hearts them close. But me chant for truth where freedom grows. Them sell illusion in a flashy screen. Program mind like well-oiled machine. But me unplug, me link to Jah. Me walk through tech smoke with inner star. Them track we step, them trace we breath. But can't control Jah light in flesh. Me vision clear, me roots run wide. Me hold the ancient flame inside. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Me spirit blaze, me truth refined. Me chant and rise like sacred fire. Break the spell, climb higher and higher. We now bow down to pixel throne. We rise with heart and flesh and bone. In our chest, the rhythm remain. We burn down Babylon with healing flame. Me see the youth lost in endless feed. Scroll for word, but miss the seed. The seed of love, the roots of self. Forget real joy, chase empty wealth. But me knock pan drum, me call them back. From digital fog to Zion track. Me chant in a forest, chant pan sea. Remind them all, just set we free. Them use the net, fi catch we soul. Fi make we weak, fi take control. But the code of love them can't erase. It live in eyes, it live in face. Me walk in silence, me move in grace. Me now wear mask in sacred place. Me whisper truth in sonic wave. Fi lead the people from cyber grave. Digital chains can't hold me mind. Me spirit blaze, me truth refine. Me chant and rise like sacred fire. Break the spell, climb higher and higher. We now bow down to pixel throne. We rise with heart and flesh and bone. In our chest, the rhythm remain. We burn down Babylon with healing flame. Me not fi fear when darkness spread. Me light still shine from locks to head. Me not fi run, me not fi hide. Jah walk with I, right by me side. Them push false truth like holy sign. But me stand firm, me draw the line. From jungle beat to urban cry, me voice still echo.
Me burn it bright, herb in the chalice, make the world right. Jah light shine, the world make it clear. Me chant for the herb, for the love sincere. Me say burn the fire long. Herb make the world sing Jah's song. Me chant for the youths, for the elders too. The herb and the blessing for the one who knew. Me light the fire, me chant the name. The herb and the cures for the world stain. From the roots to the branches, the herb make the rise. It bring the truth, it make the heart wise. Righteous fire, me burn it bright. Herb in the chalice, make the world right. Jah light shine, the world make it clear. Me chant for the herb, for the love sincere. Me rise pon the light, me rise pon the flame. Herb are the power for the people's name. Me light the chalice, me pass the pipe. Herb bring the peace, the world feel right. Babylon can't stop the herb we hold. Herb is the truth, the story bold. Me rise with the fire, me rise with the song. Herb make the world right for the weak and strong. Me burn the fire, me pass the flame.
Her body blessing, the world know the name. Jah her body cures for the soul and the mind. It make the spirit free, it make the world blind. Righteous fire, me burn it bright. Herb inna the chalice, make the world right. Jah light shine, the world make it clear. Me chant for the herb, for the love sincere. So me say like the herb, give thanks every day. Herb make the world move in Jah's holy way. Babylon can't break the power we hold. Urban culture, Jah's story told. Me rising at the morning, sky blood red. Signs in the clouds, spirits of dread. But me not fear, me walk with grace. Me chant truth right in Babylon face. Them build wall round we history. Try hide the roots, distort with memory. But the drum still beat, me soul still free. Me sing for the ones who dare to see. Them hide the books, but we still learn. Them block the sun, but we still burn. We rise with herbs, not with pill. We rise with love, not with kill. Me see them camera in every light, but them can't catch me sacred right. Me heart connect to earth and sky. Me chant for justice, me never lie. Voices of the rebellion rise through storm to smoke, through all disguise. Me not silent, me not tame. Me chant the fire, me call Jah name. Voices of the ancient echo loud. Fi break the chain, fi part the cloud. Rebel sound inna the wind. Me chant truth until the end. Them promise safety fi take we soul. Them promise gold fi make we cool. But me nah bow, me nah sign deal. Me rise with drum and I a bingy steel. Me walk in shadow with head held high. Fi teach the youth to see the lie. Me nah wear crown from false empire. Me wear the truth, me blaze Jah fire. The system feed pan fear and doubt, but love still live and me call it out. Me build no church, me need no priest. Me chant in street, me dine with beast. The Babylon watch with hungry eye, but me voice grow wings and start fi fly. Me rebel tongue a sacred knife. Fi cut the chain, fi guard we life. Voices of the rebellion rise through storm, through smoke, through all disguise. Me not silent, me not tame. Me chant the fire, me call Jah name. Voices of the ancient echo loud. Fi break the chain, fi part the cloud. Rebel sound inna the wind. Me chant truth until the end. Me see the fire on the street, where blood and dust and system meet. But still me sing, still me play. Fi guide the youth a righteous way. Them sell lies in pretty suit, but me find
Zion echoes, roots and culture we carry them strong. Guided by Jah Jah the journey long. From the ancients we learn the song. For the youth, for the elders, make we move along. Yeah. Inna the roots, the truth them hold. The stories of the warriors, brave and bold. Them trod through the struggles, the battles and pain. Yet the culture remain like the sun and rain. We say unity is strong, make we stand as one. Guided by the wisdom of the rising sun. Selassie I teachings, it a light me way. Roots and culture forever we stay. Roots and culture we chant them loud. Under Jah guidance we make Jah proud. Feed the ghetto youth we lift the sound. Roots and culture we spirit unbound. From the drum beats echo to the fields of green. The heritage sacred every moment seen. Ghetto stories fi tell with pride we sing. Every youth fi remember Jah is the king. Them try fi erase we but we strong still. The roots are run deep like the water we spill. Culture rich, it a the treasure we hold. We carry it proudly like the ancients told. Whoa, the drum and the bass a shake the ground. Roots and culture make the world astound. For the ancestors fight, we give respect. For the future generations, we make it perfect. Roots and culture, we chant them loud. Under Jah guidance, we make Jah proud. For the ghetto youth, we lift the sound. Roots and culture, we spirit unbound. So me say roots and culture, the foundation pure. We preserve the heritage, make it endure. From Kingston streets to the Zion hills. Roots and culture, it a pure all hills. Till the day we meet on the Zion shore. We chant roots and culture forevermore. One love, one aim, Jah people strong. Roots and culture, the everlasting song. Roots and culture, the foundation pure. We preserve the heritage, make it endure. From Kingston streets to the Zion hills. Roots and culture, it a cure all ills. Zion echoes. Yeah man, this is for my real sweat cuss. Me walk through jungle, me heart a drum. The beat of ancestors still a come. Them chanting silence, them living high. Me feel them spirit when me look to sky. Them not write book, them not seek fame, but truth still echo in Jah name. Me hear it loud in every tree. Them say rise up, you're born fi be free. System tell we are nothing more, but me roots go deeper than them store. Me skin, me tone, me dread, me crown. Me soul too rich fi be shut down. Echoes of the hidden drum, calling out to everyone. Wake up from the dream them sell. Truth no hide in citadel. We come from kings, from mountain stream, from sacred fire and vision dream. Them can't erase what Jah begun. Hear the call, the hidden drum. Them teach with shame and call it pride, but me know a truth, them always hide. Me say me roots come straight from light. Before them borders, before them fight. Colonial tongue can't spell me soul. Me language ancient, rich and bold.
Them rob we names and change this song, but we still chanting from so long. Me hear it beat beneath me feet, in every chant, in every street. Me nah go silent, me nah go bend. This revolution, nah pretend. Echoes of the hidden drum, calling out to everyone. Wake up from the dream them sell. Truth no hiding citadel. We come from kings, from mountain stream, from sacred fire and vision dream. Them can't erase what Jah begun. Hear the call, the hidden drum. Me nah born to fit in a mold. Me born fit chant and break the hold. Me nah go bow to modern chain. Me link with earth, me walk through rain. Them monitor thoughts, them scan we face, but Jah put power, them can't replace. Me sit in stillness, me hear the beat. It lift me soul and move me feet like Naya Bingi pon sacred ground. Me word of fire, me sound profound. Me see the youth with tired eyes. Them fed up with the digital lie. Them want treat roots, them want real thing.
Zion echoes, aye, aye, aye. Rasta man smoke, aye. Like the fire, let the ganja blaze. Herb feed the healing in a righteous ways. Babylon can't stop Jah Jah love. Ganja make the spirit rise straight above. On the mountain high, the farmer them know Jah herb are the seed will make the blessing flow. From the sunrise glow to the evening dough. Me chancellor see I make the world brand new. Babylon say war, but Jah say peace. Herb bring the healing, make the pain release. Them lock up me brother for a little spliff, but Jah herb a gift we make the spirit lift. The roots man chant, them can't hold we down. We rise like the smoke, we wear Jah Jah crown. Like the fire, let the ganja blaze. Herb feed the healing in a righteous ways. Babylon can't stop Jah Jah love. Ganja make the spirit rise straight above. Me say roll it tight, light it up with care. The wisdom of Jah fill the morning air. The fire keep blazing, the truth can't hide. Herb make the spirit strong, Jah there inside. Them call it illegal, but Jah call it free. The herb is the healer for humanity. Me burn it for the elder, burn it for the youth. The herb make me find the eternal truth. No pills, no poison, just Jah Jah plan. Herb for the people, for woman and man. Me say Babylon can't stop the herb where we praise. Them lost in the darkness, we trod Jah ways. The smoke rise high, Jah vibes we feel. The herb bring the power, Babylon can't steal. Like the fire, let the ganja blaze. Herb for the healing in a righteous ways. Babylon can't stop Jah Jah love. Ganja make the spirit rise straight above. In a the valley low, the chalice pass round. We chant for the herb, we make the love profound. The politician talk, but them can't understand. The herb is the power for the roots man hand. Them spread them lies, say the herb bring fear, but Jah show with the truth, it always clear. It calm the heart, make the soul rejoice. Herb is the language, Jah holy vice. Rolling next cliff, pass it to the left. Meditation deep, we feel Jah breath. So me say burn it high, burn it with pride. Herb feed the nation, Jah there inside. Babylon can't chain Jah natural vibes. The herb make we free, the fire never dies. Selassie I guide we, me know it's true. Jah bless the ganja, make the love renew. Like the fire, let the ganja blaze. Herb feed the healing in a righteous ways. Babylon can't stop Jah Jah love. Ganja make the spirit rise. Zion echoes, yo the fire burn bright. This one for the roots man and the ganja light. Rhythm a call with Fi Jah Jah Vibes. Babylon can't stop Jah love where thrives. Blaze Jah Fyah, let the smoke rise high. Herb for the healing, make we touch the sky. The wisdom of Jah for the whole world see. Babylon can't stop Jah ganja tree. On the hillside the ganja grows strong. From the farmers and the blessings belong. Babylon a fight it with law and chain, but Jah earth prevail, take away the pain. Me say, roll it tight, light it up with care. The wisdom of Jah fill the morning air. The fire keep blazing, the truth can't hide. Herb make the spirit strong, Jah dey inside. Blaze Jah Fyah, let the smoke rise high. Herb feed the healing, make we touch the sky. The wisdom of Jah feed the whole world see. Babylon can't stop Jah ganja tree. Me say, pass the chalice, burn it slow. The rhythm a carry Jah vibes we glow. The world need the healing, Jah make it plain. Herb are the blessing fi ease the strain. Me say, feed the youth, feed the elder too. Herb bring the light, make the soul renew. Me chant feed the roots man, the ganja fam. Babylon a crumble, but Jah still stand. Me say Babylon can't stop the herb where we praise. Them lost not the darkness, we trod Jah ways. The smoke rise high, Jah vibes we feel. The herb bring the power where Babylon can't steal. Blaze Jah Fyah, let the smoke rise high. Herb feed the healing, make we touch the sky. The wisdom of Jah feed the whole world see. Babylon can't stop Jah ganja tree. Inna the valley low, the chalice pass round. We chant feed the herb, we make the love profound. The politician talk, but them can't understand. The herb is the power for the roots man, and them spread them lies, say the herb bring fear. But Jah show with the truth, it always clear. It calm the heart, make the soul rejoice. Herb is the language, Jah holy voice. So me say, praise the herb, the healing leaf. It calm the storm, it ease the grief. Babylon can't stop the love we share. Herb bring the peace where we declare.
Zion echoes, bless up, one love in the place. Guidance from Jah, we full up the grace. Every corner, every street, Jah Light Fi Shine. Let the rhythm take over, feel the vibe divine. From the hills to the sea, Jah love reigns supreme. We living the dream, though life get extreme. Enough of them fight we, but we never back down. Treading steadfast, we wear Jah crown. Them try feed dim the light, but it always glow. Plant good seeds, make the blessings grow. Jah wisdom infinite, it a guide me heart. In a this your life journey, me play me part. Jah Light Fi Shine, make it blaze up high. Through the struggles we rise, we not comply. Every nation unite under Jah one sky. Sing praises to the King Selassie I. Me say Babylon tricks, we can't fall prey. The youth them strong, them a lead the way. Righteous path, we not stray afar. Jah blessings infinite like the shining star. Them spread bad mind, but we spread Jah love. Guidance from above, me say dove pan dove. Peace and harmony, we chant pan the beat. We mash down oppression with love so sweet. Whoa, Jah fire ignite, it a burn bright. Guidance through the dark, me say Jah light. Feed the picnic where you suffer, we a stand tall. Me say love conquer all, me hear Jah call. Jah Light Fi Shine, make it blaze up high. Through the struggles we rise, we not comply. Every nation unite under Jah one sky. Sing praises to the King Selassie I. So me chant, chant, Jah love fi grow. Like the rivers where I flow, let the blessing show. From Kingston to the world, Jah glory we sing. Forever in a Zion, Jah is the King. Love to the people, guidance all around. Me say one heart, one aim, we Zion bound. Till we meet again, let Jah light shine. The rhythm of the heart, everlasting divine.
Zion echoes, free for the people. Yeah man, we break the Babylon system. Roots of Jah, me rise from the soil. Herb in a me hand, it make me tile. Me chant for the future, for the youth, for the rise. The roots of Jah, the herb never dies. Me say rise up from the roots to the sky. Me burn the herb, make the spirit fly. Me see the future, me see the dream. Herb bring the peace, it make the world gleam. From the lands of the hills to the city streets. Herb make the soul complete. Me rise pan Jah's light, me chant the sound. Me burn the herb, make the peace abound. Me see the vision clear, the future bright. Jah herb make the world full of light. Roots of Jah, me rise from the soil. Herb in a me hand, it make me tile. Me chant for the future, for the youth, for the rise. The roots of Jah, the herb never dies. Me say the herb are the link to the past. It guide the soul and make it last. Me burn the spliff, me chant the sound. Jah herb make the truth unbound. Herb for the healing, herb for the soul. It make the spirit strong, it make the heart whole. Me rise from the earth, me rise in the air. Herb in a me heart, be Jah's prayer. Me light the fire, me chant the flame. Herb by the power, the world know the name. Babylon can't stop the roots we hold. Herb by the power, the Jah story told. Roots of Jah, me rise from the soil. Herb in a me hand, it make me tile. Me chant for the future, for the youth, for the rise. The roots of Jah, the herb never dies. So me say praise the herb for the healing power. It make the world rise in the darkest hour. The roots of Jah, the herb we trust. It make the world live, it make the spirit just.
Zion echoes, Jah's remedy, herb make me free.
It cleanse the soul, it set the spirit free. Babylon can't hold the truth we see. Herb at the power, Jah's remedy. Me say, light the chalice, pass the herb slow. Herb bring the peace, the vibes them flow. The herb in a me hand, it rise the spirit. Jah's remedy for the soul we inherit. Me feel the power, me feel the grace. The herb make the world a holy place. Me rise in the morning, me rise to the top. Herb are the cure for the world, we can't stop. The smoke rise high, me soul it embrace. Me meditate deep, the truth in the space. Me chant for the healing, for the joy, for the bliss. Me find me inner peace, me find the Jah kiss. Herb are the medicine for the heart and the mind. For the lost souls, for the ones who are blind. Jah's remedy are the answer to the pain. Me feel it in my vein, it calm the rain. Jah's remedy, herb make me free. It cleanse the soul, it set the spirit free. Babylon can't hold the truth we see. Herb are the power, Jah's remedy. Me rise with the herb, me rise with the sound. Ganja bring the peace, me feel it all around. Me burn the chalice, me feel the fire. Herb bring the healing, herb take me higher. Me smoke the herb, me rise above. The power of the herb is the power of love. Babylon can't stop the truth we defend. Herb are the cures, the Jah remedy for the end. Me chant for the ones we lost in the struggle. Me chant for the peace for the world to unbubble. The herb in me hand, me heart full of joy. It guide me life like a blessed convoy. Me see the truth, me see the path clear. Jah's remedy are the light we hold dear. The world are full of pain, but herb bring the cure. It make the soul calm, it make the spirit sure. Me say, light the herb, me pass the fire. Herb are the remedy for the heart's desire. Babylon can't stop the herb for real. Jah's remedy bring the world to heal. Jah's remedy, herb make me free. It cleanse the soul, it set the spirit free. Babylon can't hold the truth we see. Herb are the power, Jah's remedy. So me say, praise the herb, the cure for the soul. Herb are the remedy for the world to behold. Me rise with the herb, me rise with the light. Jah's remedy for the soul, the herb make it right.
Zion echoes, give me the spliff. Yeah man, let's go. Rasta Rise, the herb of the guide. Inna the chalice, the truth we confide. Babylon can't break with stride. Herb make the Rasta rise. Me set the rise of the righteous sound. Herb inna me chalice, we stand firm on the ground. Me chant for the love, for the peace, for the vibe. Rasta Rise, the spirit alive. Me burn the herb, me smoke the peace. For the wisdom and love, the struggle cease. Me see the light, me see the way. Jah herb show me the truth to stay. Herb make me meditate, herb make me fly. Inna the herbs, me touch the sky. Me chant for the youths, for the elders too. Herb bring the love, make the world feel true. Rasta Rise, the herb are the guide. Inna the chalice, the truth we confide. Babylon can't break with stride. Herb make the Rasta rise. Me smoke the herb, me feel so blessed. It make me rise, for the truth manifest. The vibes are sweet, the flow divine. With the herb, me see the world shine. From the east to the west, the herb are the link. It make me think deeper, me rise, me brink. Me rise with the elders for the truth unbind. Herb are the cure for the soul and mind. Jah herb are the blessing. a true. It make the world peaceful for the me and you. Me rise high, me rise above. Herb make me feel Jah's endless love. Babylon can't stop the herb for real. It make the Rasta rise, it make the world heal. Rasta rise, the herb are the guide. Inna the chalice, the truth we confide. Babylon can't break with stride. Herb make the Rasta rise. So me say light the fire, burn it bright. Herb are the power, the Jah's the light. Me rise with the herb, me chant the truth. Jah love bring the peace to the youth. Yo, yo, this year one for the people, them rise up, stand tall and never fall. Jah guide my path, I'ma walk them strong. Hear me now, Babylon can't hold me down. Early morning, me rise with the sun. Meditation for my mind, Jah kingdom soon come. The world full of chaos, them spread pure lies. But me chant a little prayer, burn the devil disguise. Feed the ghetto youth, me say, hold the faith. Never lose sight, true love can't let. We fighting for the justice, the poor man's plea. Them now go silent, we, them can't stop, we free. Rise up the nation, make we walk in Jah light. Every man, every woman have to stand up for right. From Kingston to the world, make the fire ignite. Babylon have to tremble when we chant through the night. Them think them smart, but them blind to the truth. System where them build full of lies and dispute. Just soldier on the front line, me not take defeat. We trod through the valley with the rhythm and beats. Tell the picnic them, fi learn from we way. History I teach how the wicked man play. Selassie I wisdom it a shine pan the day. The righteous a prevail, can't let that stray. Boom bye bye, Babylon can't stay strong. We burn corruption with the fire all along. Me say love for the people, me say peace in my heart. But for injustice, me a tear it apart. Rise up the nation, make we walk in Jah light. Every man, every woman have to stand up for right. From Kingston to the world, make the fire ignite. Babylon have to tremble when we chant through the night. Yo, remember the mission, never lose sight. Jah give the vision for leading the fight. Me say unity strong, make we rise as one till the trumpet sound and the victory done. Selassie I guide we forever we chant. The power of love, it's the ultimate grant. So me say goodbye for now, but me soon return with the fire in my soul, let the fire burn. Ganja vibes make the world unite. Her body answer the her body light. We burn the chalice, we chant the sound. Ganja vibes make the world go round. Me light the herb, me chant for the fire. Her body power, the world get higher. We burn the spliff, we burn the truth. Ganja vibes feed the youth. From the hills to the city, me pass the flame. Ganja are the medicine the world make. The name Babylon can't stop the fire we hold. Ganja vibes, the truth untold. Me rise in the morning, me rise with the day. Me burn the herb, make the world go Jah's way. The herb in a me hand, me feel so free. Ganja vibes make the soul take flight, you see. Me rise with the vibes, me rise with the sound. Ganja vibes make the world go round. Me see the people unite, me see the truth. Herb bring the peace for the elder and youth. Ganja vibes make the world unite. Herb are the answer, the herb are the light. Me burn the chalice, me chant the sound. Ganja vibes make the world go round. Me rise with the fire, me rise in the light. Herb in a me and everything feels right. Me chant for the peace, me chant for the joy. Herb make the world rise for the girl and the boy. The vibes are sweet, the herb is pure. It make the world heal, it make the soul sure. From the roots to the branches, the herb grow tall. Me smoke the herb, me rise above all. Babylon can't stop the light we shine. Ganja vibes for the future divine. Me pass the herb, me chant the name. Ganja vibes make the world the same. Me rise with the herb, me chant the sound. Ganja vibes make the world go round. Me burn the chalice, me feel the fire. Herb are the truth, herb take me higher. Ganja vibes are the power, the world feel the flame. It make the people unite, no shame. Ganja vibes make the world unite. Herb are the answer, the herb are the light. Me burn the chalice, me chant the sound. Ganja vibes make the world go round. So me say, light the herb, pass the fire bright. Ganja vibes make the world unite tonight. Babylon can't stop the vibes we hold. Ganja vibes are the future, are the truth untold.
Zion echo, Zion. Urban culture, we keep it alive. Just blessing in the herb make we thrive. Babylon can't stop the righteous sound. Herb in the chalice make the world go round. Me say me rise to the top. Me light up the herb. Me not stop from the roots to the top. The herb grow tall. Me chant for the culture, for the ones who call. Herb bring the healing. Herb make the mind free. It make the world know true unity. Me smoke the chalice, me chant the sound. Jah bless the people for the herb unbound. Me grow it, me show it, me feel the vibes. Herb body linked to the spiritual tribes. Me rise in the morning, the sun make it bright. Me smoke the herb in the warm daylight. Me call for the culture, for the people, for real. Herb is the answer for the wounds, for heal. Urban culture, we keep it alive. Just blessing in the herb make we thrive. Babylon can't stop the righteous sound. Herb in the chalice make the world go round. Jah herb in me hand, me feel so blessed. It make me rise for the path, me impressed. Me chant for the elders, for the ones who lead. Herb are the medicine for the soul's need. From the hills of the mountain to the valley low. Herb bring the peace for the world to grow. The roots man rise, we chant for Jah's grace. The herb make the world for the better place. Me see the light, me see the road clear. With the herb in my heart, me have no fear. Urban culture are the healing plan, are the blessing for the earth, for the woman and man. Herb make me strong, herb make me wise. Me me see the truth with me open eyes. Babylon can't stop the herb we hold tight. Herb had the power, it make the world bright. Urban culture, we keep it alive. Just blessing in the herb make we thrive. Babylon can't stop the righteous sound. Herb in the chalice make the world go round. So me say like the herb, give thanks every day. Herb make the world move in Jah's holy way. Babylon can't break the power we hold. Urban culture, just story told. So me say like the herb, give thanks every day. Herb make the world move in Jah's holy way. Babylon can't break the power we hold. Urban culture, just story told.
Zion echoes.
Yo, this one for the ganja farmers worldwide. Make the chalice blaze, make Jah love provide. Herb a the guide, we make the spirit hold. This a the anthem for the ganja soul.
Green gold treasure, the herb we praise. The fire ablaze in a Jah Jah rays. Babylon tremble, them can't survive. Ganja make the roots man spirit alive. On the fields of gold, the herb them bloom. The farmer man chant Fi Jah perfume. Babylon say war, but Jah say peace. Herb bring the healing, the world release. Me say burn it high, chant Jah sound. The vibes elevate as the smoke surround. Herb is the power for the strong and weak. Jah guide me soul with the ganja peak. Me rise pon the mountain, me head full of thought. Me nah fear Babylon, me herb a the fat. The ganja a blessing, it rise like the sun. Jah herb make the roots man overcome. Feed the struggle, feed the pain, feed the war we face. Jah herb bring the peace, bring the holy grace. The ganja leaf green, it steady the mind. It make me feel free, it make me unwind. Herb feed the healing, herb feed the soul. The herb are the power that makes me whole. Me say burn the chalice, pass the spliff slow. The vibe so divine, me spirit a glow. The ganja feed the world, make the people unite. The herb bring the peace, the herb bring the light. Green gold treasure, the herb we praise. The fire ablaze in a Jah Jah rays. Babylon tremble, them can't survive. Ganja make the roots man spirit alive. The politician lie, them can't deny. Herb is the gift we make Jah spirit high. Them fight Jah works, but Jah works strong. Herb is the rhythm we make the world sing along. Me say roll it tight, burn it Fi Jah. Meditation lift me near and far. Herb a the light in the darkest time. The roots man rise pon the ganja line. Me see the future clear, the path for the youth. The herb a the answer, the everlasting truth. So me say praise the herb, the healing leaf. It calm the storm, it ease the grief. Babylon can't stop the love we share. Herb bring the peace where we declare.